everyone, so today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Paper Tess Design pocket planner and also the cover that I got for the Paper Tess Designs pocket planner. So first I'm going to do the unboxing of the cover, which is from the Yacht and the Leathersmith, and then I will do the unboxing of the Paper Tess Design. So I will also be unboxing all the accessories that I have purchased from AliExpress, all to accompany my planner. Let's get on to it. So this is the Yacht and the Leathersmith, and I love the case, Zach, because his workmanship is really good, and this was on sales. So it has a pocket in the front, and when you open up the string, this is how the interior, there's not much in here, there's a pocket here and also a slot here. So there is no string in the middle. I wish there was one, but I have a remedy for that. And it has a logo here saying Yacht and the Leathersmith. Because this case was made of a special collaboration between Paper Tess Designs and Yacht Leather, so they have their logo here. And there is a pocket here. So there are two pockets, which is one in the front and also at the back. Okay, I like this because you can always put a card, right? Okay, now let's put that aside. So next is the pocket planner itself from Paper Tess Design. Okay, I love the logo that they have here. It's really pretty. And I like this paper as well because it looks like there's confetti in here. Carefully tear this out. Wow, I love all this. Okay, and there is a thank you card. This is the pocket, daily pocket notebook, and the receipt, which I am not going to look at. Let's move that aside. So let's take the plastic out. So this is really tiny. I was not expecting it to be this small. And it says here the daily notebook part 2. Okay, this is from 2024 July to December. Okay, when you open it, there's a pocket at the back. Alright. This notebook belongs to, and then the daily notebook part 2, blank grid page, 2024 yearly overview, blank page again, and this is the monthly calendar. It doesn't have any line, by the way, so that's going to be a bit of a problem to me, but I'm alright with that. Blank page again, and then you will have a column for this month. It doesn't have any month for that, so I can pretty much use this column for anything, probably my list of something. Okay, once again, blank page. And then this is the quarterly overview, which is for quarter 3, July to September. And then quarter 4, October to December. And then blank page with dot grid. And then this is the monthly tracker. Blank grid page again, and then this is the weekly overview. So there is no line here, it's just ruled page. I'm beginning to like rule page a lot, so that's why I was very drawn to buy this. So this is the daily page, and there's a schedule from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. I can work with that. Okay. And then they have a section for weekly review, which I also do, and then the entire thing starts back again. So once the month finish, okay, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So okay, it only has weekly review, it doesn't have a monthly overview. Alright, so and then that's how the entire page is going to be. It also has a bookmark section, which I am very grateful for. My current Sterling ink does not have one, so I have to make use of something else. And then at the end of the book, it has 102 blank grid page. So let's take a look at the size of the grid. So the grid is 5 mm, all right? Okay, so now let's try to put this in my planner. Okay, this is how I am planning to put it in. Ooh, it's a bit tight. Now that's how my planner is going to be. So here's the thing, this does not have a pen loop. Okay, so I tend to carry my pen around a lot. So this is how I've seen people carry around. So I guess I can work with that, or I can also put it inside. Okay, which is not bad, but it does create like a dent on the book, on the planner cover. I don't know, let's see how. All right, now I am going to put in other accessories that I bought. So this is the string, which I plan to use to connect all the other things together with this book, since it doesn't have the string. Let me brighten up this. Okay. So that's one string, and then this is also the string that will attach together the planner. And I want to carry around my credit card, and since it doesn't have any slots, so I bought this pocket size card slots here. It has a space here, it has a space here. Yep. Okay, that's one. And then another card slots here. I bought this 2 sets. It's also a pocket size, so I can put cards here, here, and also here. And some coins here maybe. Alright, that's 2 pieces of them. And I also got myself a craft book, a pocket size craft paper. This is harder. And I can also slot in cards in here as well if I want to. And this is another pocket size traveler's notebook style. Okay, I can put in more cards here, and also some, oh, this is not something they can put here, but because it's for the zip slot, so I can put my coins in here since I want to make this as a wallet. This is nice. This is not a leather type, but this is more like a very sturdy paper kind of stuff. Yeah, I like this a lot, and it has a pen loop, which is wonderful. So I can put in my pen if I need to. Oh, but it's a bit difficult. Yeah, that's it. Okay, it's pretty good, I would say. So now let's try to put everything together. So I'm going to set my pocket planner, and I am going to do it in a fast mode so that I don't waste your time. Yeah, let's begin. Here's the thing, I have already fixed it, but I am still struggling because I'm thinking whether I should put this in the front or I should put this at the back, because this thing is moving. It's not really at its place, so I don't know whether I should stick with this. Okay, but I do this setup a lot because, can you see, it just fits perfectly. And if I want to put in my pen, I can just put in my pen in here. even a fat pen can fit. But can you see, when I put my pen in, I tend to pull my planner out, the planner insert out. So I can't put this in here. I need to put in some of the pen, maybe this size. This one would fit better, but it is disrupting this side of the planner cover. I'm not sure, maybe I need to put this in the middle. So I'm gonna do that again. So I can't really put this in the middle, because what I did was I looked for the mid spine and then I tried to put in my other inserts here, but it doesn't really work well. So I'm going to try in a different way. So this is like a lot of ways that you need to try on. So my other way is definitely, okay, I'm going to take this thing out. So this is a passport size canvas pocket, and I can put in cards in here, but my main reason why I bought this is because I want to slot this in here. Which is hard. Alright, okay, I managed to fit it in. Okay. I hope it's alright. Okay, and then I want to put the string in the middle. Alright, and then I am going to put this planner in the middle. Alright. So now I don't have to put it in, right? Okay, so these things I am going to put in the other string. Where is the other string? Oh, there it is. Alright, so I think this looks much better, don't you think? And then I put this string around. This does look perfect. So there you go, it looks like this. Okay. So then my pocket, my pen can go in here. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in all my stuff in here and then I will come back. So one final touch is I want to put this brass thing on top of this planner, and I'm not sure whether it's better for here or here. I may want to put the pen here. So if I do put the pen here and this thing is here, and it definitely is going to be bothered, right? So I think this is the best way for me to put it. So I am going to stick this on. This sticker is really strong, so once you put it on, you can't really take it out. I have fixed this. It's stuck there for now. Okay, let's take a look at my final look. So this is the daily notebook in the front, and then there's this craft traveler's notebooks pocket style, and this is another space for me to put my coins in, and probably some notes here, and I have put in my loyalty cards in here, and then my credit cards all are in here, and then I'm gonna put in my money in here, and my identification cards are all here, and yeah, that's it. This is how it's going to be. So let's see whether this thing really works out for me now. So this is my pocket notebook setup using the Paper Tess Designs pocket notebook. I am going to use this as a wallet, and I am going to bring this as my daily everyday carry as well. And if you are keen to know how I am using this pocket notebook in the upcoming days, weeks, and month, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be updated on all my upcoming videos. So till then, I will see you in my next video. Bye!